A career in energy is important because energy is not sustainable in some points. You can't always be looking for natural gas or oil.
Working in energy will definitely help have a greener earth. Everything that we do will help produce cleaner air, less repairs, cleaner equipment, will cost effective for customers, and the earth will just in general have cleaner air.
Well, working in an energy field such as energy management, we're going to save energy, save costs, actually create jobs. It's going to be better for the environment in the long run.
In high school, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, so I went to Riverside Community College and I got a 2-year degree in general studies. Once I completed my AA in 2 years, that allowed me to transfer over to a 4-year institute from me, Cal State Long Beach, which allowed me to get my Bachelor of Science there.
A lot of people ask me, how were you in film school and you ended up in energy management? And believe it or not, film school helped me so much when I came here because I learned how to talk with people, collaborate with different teams. I believe that the skills you have are more important than any certificates or degrees that you can get. And if I would recommend one thing is take classes. So you can learn about the business, you can learn about the field. And that way when you go in, for that job interview or you put in that resume, you can have something on there that shows that you've made effort to learn the business. And that way they can see that at least you're interested in learning and growing. And that's pretty much the start.
A normal day looks like installing a package unit, doing gas, condensate, sometimes high voltage. The type of buildings I work on are restaurants mostly. Some of the skills you would need to do AC is you got to know the tools, you got to kind of know how to diagnose a unit, you got to know the parts of the unit and the parts you're going to fix. The more schooling you have, the further you will get with your career. I would encourage anybody that wants to get into HVAC to go do the schooling and get into here and make it easier for you to diagnose the problems to the unit. Once you have the education, it's really easy to get job training.
After high school, I started in the union, in the Carpenters Union, doing drywall and metal stud framing. From there on, I tried various office jobs just to stay afloat as far as doing legal work. But the one thing I always came back to in my mind was the construction field. I've always wanted to work with AC systems, and this is definitely a career that there's always a need for. I went back to community college to be able to expand my horizons a little bit, give myself better opportunity in this field. There are other people in this industry that do not have a college degree, but I would say that in order to excel and to move forward and give you more opportunity, a college degree is definitely recommended.